In this video, we are going to see how we can switch our Microsoft Edge language into English from French. So if you have accidentally changed the language to French, here's how you can change it back to English. You just hit the three dots on the top right hand corner and you basically don't understand anything, right? So you just click on the parameters, which is for the settings, and on the left hand side we see this A and language sign. This is for the language, and from here the French is selected already, and this is English United States. You want to turn this on. You click on the three dots and select the first option and restart afterwards, and as you can see, now the English United States is turned on and the language is perfectly switched, and that is how we can do it and get rid of this problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.